Mark Zuckerberg once said, "People are more productive working from home than people would have expected. So why not start now? Pursue your business success through online means." Welcome back to Business Mind, your hub for all things business and marketing. If you're ready to discover the tried and true strategies that could pave your way to financial success from the comfort of your own home, then you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of online opportunities, sharing the easy-to-follow methods that have been proven to generate substantial income. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the doors to online riches. Number 1. Set up a dropshipping store. Method overview. Embark on a path of online entrepreneurship without the hassles of inventory management and shipping logistics through dropshipping. This method involves collaborating with suppliers to handle order fulfillment, while your focus remains on sales and customer engagement. Getting started. The right e-commerce platform. Begin your journey by selecting a fitting e-commerce platform. Opt for a personalized website using WordPress and integrate WooCommerce for seamless shopping experiences. Prioritize an apt hosting plan to ensure your platform operates swiftly and smoothly. Vital partnerships. Reliable supplier collaboration. Forge strong alliances with trusted suppliers who manage manufacturing, storage, and shipping. Platforms such as Monetize offer access to global suppliers, aiding in profitable product pricing. Spocket seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, connecting you to a diverse supplier network. Sale.Who's wide range of vetted suppliers and community forum interaction enhance your dropshipping venture. By meticulously choosing suppliers and offering quality products, you are on track to establish a lucrative dropshipping business, potentially yielding $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Number 2. Create an e-commerce site. Method overview. Step into the realm of online entrepreneurship by creating your own e-commerce site. This method involves establishing a digital or physical product store, harnessing the potential to generate significant income ranging from $1,000 to $100,000 per month. Online stores offer unparalleled advantages such as broader market reach and reduced initial costs compared to their offline counterparts. Niche focus, your key to success. To set your e-commerce venture apart from the competition, concentrate on a specific niche. This strategy enhances your chances of success by targeting a specialized audience. Regularly monitoring trends will enable you to identify popular products, guiding your decisions on what to sell. Strategic setup, building your online store. Craft a comprehensive business plan and address crucial elements like inventory management, shipping logistics, and obtaining necessary licenses and permits. Selecting the right e-commerce platform tailored to your requirements is paramount. Top e-commerce platforms to consider are Hostinger Website Builder, WooCommerce, and PrestaShop. Number 3. Write and monetize blog posts. Method overview. Unlock the potential to earn anywhere from $200,000 to $100,000 per month by combining your niche passion and writing prowess through blog creation and monetization. If you have a keen interest in a particular subject and enjoy sharing your insights, this method might be your ticket to online income. Niche finesse, the key to success. Enhance your chances of success by focusing on a specific niche. Rather than a general blog, consider diving into a particular area. For instance, rather than a broad food blog, concentrate on a specific cuisine or culinary aspect. Diverse monetization avenues. Monetizing your blog is achievable through multiple methods. Sell ad spaces, engage in affiliate marketing, collaborate with brands for sponsorships, and offer products for sale. These avenues can transform your passion-driven blog into a steady source of income. While blogging can yield substantial income, it is important to note that profitability doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is key. Regularly produce high-quality content to engage your audience. Apply content marketing strategies to expedite the process and boost your blog's visibility. Number 4. Sign up for affiliate networks. Method overview. Capitalizing on established online presence can potentially yield monthly earnings ranging from $100,000 to $100,000 through affiliate marketing. This approach involves endorsing products or services from companies within your content, earning commissions for each successful sale made through your affiliate link. Audience advantage, the key to success. Leverage your existing audience by venturing into affiliate marketing. If you possess a substantial following on social media or other content-driven platforms, this method could be highly lucrative. Affiliate marketing in action, how it works. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services within your content. Each time someone clicks on your affiliate link, and completes a purchase, you receive a commission. To maintain authenticity and audience engagement, choose programs that align with your niche. For instance, the Hostinger affiliate program suits individuals in the web development or e-commerce industry. Affiliate income varies based on the size of your readership and the programs you engage with. Some of the most rewarding affiliate programs are Amazon Associates, BRush, and eBay Partner Network. Affiliate marketing is the pinnacle of supporting each other and achieving absolute business success. And isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of your goal, which is business success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger. And we have set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might be just one click away. Number 5. Building a membership website. Method overview. Discover the potential of constructing a membership website as a lucrative endeavor with earnings spanning from $10,000 to $10,000 per month. This method involves curating exclusive content for subscribed members, fostering a niche-focused community that enjoys tailored benefits. Niche-centric content, the heart of membership. The key lies in delivering niche-specific content to cater to your audience's interest. For example, 40 Aprons excels by providing members-only recipes, ebooks, meal plans, and an ad-free browsing experience. It is crucial to adapt your content based on your chosen niche and actively incorporate feedback from your members. Sustained value and community building. This business model offers long-term benefits. Regular membership renewal ensures a consistent income stream as members seek ongoing access to exclusive rewards. Furthermore, a sense of community is nurtured, offering a platform to market additional products or services to a loyal audience. Building a membership website is a robust avenue for generating income. By offering exclusive content, you entice individuals to become members, each selecting from various subscription plans based on their desired rewards. Number 6. Advertising space. Method overview. Unlock a pathway to passive income ranging from $50 to $1,000 per month by offering advertising space on your established website. Capitalize on blank sections of your site to featured ads, generating revenue based on clicks and impressions. Monetizing your online real estate. Leveraging your website's blank spaces for ads is an excellent way to earn without active involvement. Revenue is influenced by the interactions the ads garner, whether through clicks or impressions. Quality content as a magnet. Attract reputable advertisers by creating top-tier content that provides value and performs well in search engine results. Advertisers seek placements on reputable and relevant sites within their niche. Ensuring the content aligns with their target audience enhances the appeal. Google AdSense stands as a popular choice. Sign up, embed the provided ad code on your site, and start earning. For WordPress users, a tutorial on adding AdSense to WordPress can provide seamless integration. Also consider diversifying with other advertising networks such as Propeller Ads, AdCash, and Media.net. Number 7. Make online courses. Method overview. Transform your expertise into a revenue stream with earnings spanning from $1,000 to $10,000 per month by crafting and selling online courses. If you're passionate about sharing knowledge and equipped with in-depth expertise, this method could be your ticket to online success. Course formats, versatility at its best. Diversify your offerings by creating courses in various formats, including ebooks, interactive PDFs, presentations, podcasts, and videos. These can be sold as digital products or be part of subscription packages. Craft courses tailored to popular fields such as business, health, and personal development. These subjects consistently draw learners seeking to enhance their skills and knowledge. Create an e-learning website. While e-learning platforms provide convenience, having your own e-learning website offers enhanced flexibility and control over course formats and monetization. WordPress LMS plugins simplify the creation process, ensuring your site is feature-rich and user-friendly. If you opt for e-learning platforms, consider reputable options such as Skillshare, Udemy, and Podia. Number 8. Become an online tutor. Method overview. Embark on a journey of education and earnings, with potential monthly income ranging from $2,200 to $6,800 by becoming an online tutor. If teaching is your passion and possess expertise in a specific subject, this method allows you to directly impact students worldwide. Direct learning connection. Online tutoring. Experience the fulfillment of teaching directly by embracing online tutoring. This approach facilitates one-on-one learning with students from around the globe. Subject mastery, the foundation. Select a subject you're proficient in to become a credible and effective tutor. Provide comprehensive learning materials and be prepared to address student queries. Offer constructive feedback to guide their improvement and monitor their learning journey. Engage with popular tutoring subjects like chemistry, mathematics, and foreign languages. Market your tutoring services through your personal website or establish online tutoring platforms. Several platforms to explore include TutorMe, Schooly, and Preply. And there you have it, fellow seekers of online success. We have explored an array of ingenious strategies to pave your way towards financial prosperity in 2023 and beyond. From dropshipping and e-commerce ventures to blogging, affiliate marketing, and beyond, the digital landscape is ripe with opportunities to carve your path to prosperity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join our community Business Mind, where you can dream big and achieve bigger. Until next time, happy exploring, and may your digital endeavors bring you the prosperity you deserve.